Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Nuova Musica machine, and it came in here for a leak on the left side of the panel and a messy portafilter pour. So pretty much what we did is we did a whole tune-up on the front, replacing the shower screen and replacing the gasket in there. And for the leaking, when we opened up the side panel, we found this hose, which is the main hose that goes from the water pump to your machine, was leaking like quite a lot. So we did replace it with a nice durable hose with metal clamps, so it should stay on there. And yeah, we're going to do a few tests. We're going to test a double shot. We're going to test the hot water and test the steam. We are using our test coffee for this, but here is that double shot. It was a nice slow pour. And again, I didn't measure the coffee, or I did not measure the grounds to the portafilter, so don't worry about that. Then we are going to test the hot water. I did reprogram the hot water to go a little longer so that you can see it. That's just getting that steam out of there because it does share. So you see running well. They ran away for the pump to get back. We're going to test the steam. And as you can see, it's running really well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.